Companies around the world are looking at ways to be more sustainable and they're focusing on circular economies. Nizar, how are you helping companies fully realize the benefits of the circular economy?
What our platform is focused on doing is creating circularity amongst organizations and businesses. And so what we aim to do is a few things. One is give visibility into the assets that exist within an organization. So think about a storage room and you go in and you don't know what's in it. Even worse, you forget that there even is a storage room. And then, so we help you list all those items out and give them visibility. And then our second sort of offering or product is to circulate them. And so what we allow you to do through our technology is speak to all the users in your organization so that you can make them aware of these assets, you can exchange them amongst each other, distribute them amongst different teams, and then if you find that you don't have a need for them, you can exchange them with other organizations in your geography or even a little bit further away. The ultimate goal of circularity is to avoid landfill. And so by inviting these partners into the platform, we help ensure that these assets are being circulated to nonprofit organizations, schools, hospitals, or whoever might need them. Again, just to ensure that they don't go to waste.
So who are some of the organizations you are working with and what kind of cost savings and reductions are they actually being able to realize?
What we try and solve for are the pain points in the problem statement. So if somebody comes to us and says, hey, I don't know what I have, or I don't know how to move it, or I don't know how to share it, those are really great problems for us to help address. We are working with Rush University Medical Center. They had to decommission a whole building, and so for a few months they put up all the assets that they own in that building on the platform to ensure that, again, to avoid landfill. And we were able to save them over $200,000. We were able to save them over 50,000 pounds of assets from going to landfill, which was incredible.
When you look at the Rheaply platform, what specific technologies are you using to make it work?
Our product team does an amazing job, and our customer success team, of listening to our customers, getting their feedback, hearing what aspects of our features are working and what's not working. We do have this concept of design thinking, continuously iterating and improving on our product. And an example of how we're doing that is through artificial intelligence. So most recently, we have a feature that we've built out called Suggestions. And the way that it works is, let's say you go on our platform and you want to list this chair that we're sitting on. And you may not know the exact dimensions of it, the fabric that it's made of, the finish. So what we'll do is if you put in the title of the type of chair that it is, so let's say an Aeron desk chair, and the manufacturer, so let's say Herman Miller, when you click the button Suggest on the platform, it'll output all of that for you. So it'll output through AI the dimensions of the chair, the finish, the fabric. It'll also tell you the estimated weight of it so that it can automatically go to your reporting. And then it'll give you the market value of it. So let's say you did want to sell it, and if you wanted to transact it on the platform, that the cost of this chair would be on the platform, so that it takes away some of that thinking for you. As I mentioned, we're doing our best to make it extremely easy and user-friendly to use the platform.
When you look to the next 12 to 24 months, what are the expansion plans for the company?
All the above. We're always open to a good conversation and always learning about what's out there in the market. We're definitely fundraising going into 2024. That'll be our Series B fundraise. One of our goals for the end of 2024, actually, we're looking ahead, is to impact 50 cities into next year.
And where are you at today?
We're at about 6 or 7. Our goal is 10 by the end of the year, so we're trending, well, and we're hoping that that's, going to scale. We've already seen incredible traction with San Francisco. We actually have 2 different marketplaces that are set up with them. We're launching in Atlanta as well, New York, and a couple of other spots. And this is part of the reason why the Materials Marketplace acquisition was really helpful, is then we can work closer towards that goal of growing our geographical impact. Most of our clients are in the States, and our company is based out of Chicago. But should there be opportunities for us to expand internationally as well into next year, we will never say no to a good conversation.